قال الإمام علي عليه السلام: قيمة كل امرئ ما يحسنه.
ارزش هر کسی به کارهایی است که آنها را درست انجام می‌دهد.
The worth of every man is in his achievements.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال علي بن أبي طالب عليه الصلاة والسلام: قيمة كل امرئ ما يحسنه. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wasalam says in Nahj al-Balagha, the worth of every man is in his achievements. Many times we look at our family background, we look at our personal life, we look at our looks or our actions, and then we say that, well, I should have this and I should have that. But the Imam says that the worth of every man is in his achievements. So it is not what your background is or who you are as an individual, but it is your achievements, what you achieve in life. And the achievements can be in terms of knowledge, in terms of the services, in terms of the work, in terms of the projects you accomplished, in terms of the services that you've done to mankind or to the society or to any organization. So it is extremely important that you look at the achievements. What have you achieved? And the price of every person is their achievements. The worth of every person is their achievements. Many have achieved writing big books, many have achieved writing articles, many have achieved making projects. Many times people have their own wealth and they make projects. Many times they don't have any wealth, but they go and ask the wealthy people to donate for a good cause, to contribute towards a good project. They can give their own ability, their own potential, they learn so much themselves, and then they go and contribute towards teaching others. They go on to serving the humanity, they go on to do so many projects and good deeds in life. So it is what you achieve in life that is the most important thing. It is not what you have in the sense that in the sense of the worldly things. It is the achievements. Now you can decide your own price or your own worth, and unfortunately sometimes through worldly things, that okay, I've accomplished and I've achieved a big position in a company. Well, then in a worldly sense, yes, you may have price, and likewise you will have a price or a good worth in God's eyes when you accomplish, when you achieve godly projects. So it is always important to remember that our worth is based on what sort of things you do in worldly things or godly things. Thank you very much for listening.